Hello, guys, welcome back. This one message could change everything. They have been holding it for days. They are saying it over and over again in their head. I don't know how to say this perfectly, but I need you to know how I feel. What they say next will touch your soul. Absolutely. The next, what they will say will touch your soul. You have been my strength, my calm, my home. And I'm sorry if I ever made doubt that. I don't want to lose us. I love you more than I have ever said that loud. Sometimes one message can say it all. Send this to someone who needs to hear it. Lately, things have felt different. Not broken, but not the same. Hey, I don't even know how to begin this, but I need you to read every word. They have been waiting to say something for days, but how do you find the right words when your heart is this full? I miss the way we used to laugh effortlessly. When I look at you, I see everything I still want and everything I am afraid to lose. I need to say this, you have been my peace, my safe place, my reason to believe in love again. But I know I haven't always shown it right. I've been distant, distracted, scared. I don't want to be perfect. I just want to be honest. And the truth is, I love you. I love you deeply, quietly, with every broken piece of me still learning how to love right. I know, I know, I have hurt you, but I hope this message could lead us heal. May this isn't the end. Maybe it's the message we need to begin again. This is the one message could change everything. Send this to someone you believe in. Amen. The angels are always seeing on you. Please subscribe and share this message whom